Hi, I'm Kristen White and I'm here with my beautiful model Ashley, and today we're going to be showcasing how to properly install all virgin clip-ins the AVH way. Now, as you can see, Ashley has gorgeous hair. It's absolutely beautiful, and it's already equivalent to what a 16-inch bundle would be, but what we're going to do is pump her up and give her a little bit of volume and make it that much more glamorous. We're going to be using about 2 bundles, or what would be equivalent to 2 bundles of hair, using 2 sets of AVH clip-ins. Now this is going to be the Amazon texture, and just to show you how the clip-ins are made, there's several tracks on one weft, so you get a lot of hair in one clip-in, so that way you don't have to have a lot of hardware in your hair. Also, as you can see, these prongs or teeth, this is what's going to allow the clip-in to stay and snap and hold tight, and also make it very temporary and easy for you to transition between styles and give you a lot of versatility. So Ashley's hair is going to be down today, so we just want that big, beautiful 90s supermodel kind of hair. So what we're going to be doing is basically the style that you see right now, we're going to just enhance that. We're going to start from the back and the bottom, and we're going to work our way to the front and the top. So what I like to do is start about 1 inch away from the nape of the neck. You're going from ear to ear, and again, as I said, you're going to leave about 1 inch to 1.5 inches of space between the nape of the neck and the actual start of the clip-in. So I'm going to spray right at the root. This particular clip-in has 2 prongs, as you can see, or teeth, or 2 clips. So therefore, I'm going to form what I like to call little nuggets. And you're going to back comb or tease right there at the base. Now the reason why I call this a nugget is because you should have a nice little nugget right there at the root of the hair. And then you're going to do it to the other section that you sprayed. So now what you should have are 2 nice teased nuggets that are the same length as the clip-in that you're about to apply. See? You're going to open up each prong. This is open, and when they snap, those are closed. So you're going to open them both. Then you're going to take the clip-in, and at that area between the scalp and the nugget, there's a little area right in between there. You're going to find that sweet spot, stick the teeth in between that area, and snap down, just like that. Then you're going to pull it nice and firm across the length of the part to the other nugget. Find that space in between the part and your teased hair. Put the teeth in between that, and snap. It's magic. In your sets of clip-ins, you're going to get multiple sizes. The next size that we're going to use is a medium-sized clip-in, and this has 3 clips. So obviously it's going equivalent to how the length of the head expands as you go up. The clip-in should do the exact same thing. So you're going to open up those teeth, just like so. Remember, this is open, and that's closed. You want to make sure all the clips are open. We have 3 here, so we have 3 nuggets. Gonna go right in between the scalp and that teased hair space. Fit those teeth right in between and snap. And you're just gonna pull slightly as you move to the next teased section because you want it nice and firm and you want it to lay right up against the scalp. Go to that last section, fit in between those 2 spaces and snap. See how nice and firm that is? And again, looks like it's growing right out of the scalp. So very, very natural application. And you do that until you've achieved all the volume that you're going for. Hair is all blended in, then you are ready to style. Go get dressed, and then you'll be ready to go.